over 60. To regain your strength and build muscle, consume these 3 teas. Have you noticed that your legs aren't carrying you as well as they once did? Perhaps you've been experiencing increased fatigue or difficulty maintaining your balance. You're not by yourself. It's not only aging either. According to recent studies, some natural teas can actually help you regain your leg strength, increase blood flow, lower inflammation, and even enhance your energy levels without the need for uncomfortable workouts or medications. The finest part comes next. They are safe, easy to use, and supported by science. For instance, a long-term research conducted in Japan that tracked thousands of senior citizens discovered that those who consistently drank green tea had a far higher chance of retaining their balance and muscle strength as they grew older. Additionally, it's something you'll witness in person, such as the renowned Japanese runner Hidaichi Miyazaki, who attributed his continued running until the age of 100 to his daily cup of green tea. The top 3 t-shirts for seniors looking to increase their energy and leg strength are shown in this video. Every fact was picked with care, verified by a group of medical researchers, so you can rely on the data you're receiving. If you'll stay with me through to the finish, I'll also tell you about a tea ingredient that may surprise you. It has been proved to improve circulation and combat muscle weariness in older folks. You won't desire to overlook it. Let's get started. Ginger turmeric tea is the first. A cup of ginger turmeric tea, warm and comforting. For senior folks seeking a natural energy boost and stronger legs, this straightforward beverage can be a real game changer. This tea may soon become one of your favorite daily routines if you've noticed that your legs feel heavy when you walk, or if you're exhausted by the time you reach the top of the stairs. Here's why it's so effective. 2 of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory roots are ginger and turmeric. When you mix them, they do more than just add a soothing taste to your tea. They actively try to reduce inflammation, which causes stiffness, aching joints, and tired muscles. Many seniors are being held back by more than simply weak muscles. Additionally, the pain and edema that accompany following even modest exertion. The root cause of that issue is directly addressed by ginger turmeric tea. However, it doesn't end there. Gingerols are natural substances found in ginger that have been shown in experiments to enhance blood circulation. Consider your legs to be industrious machines. To remain robust and recover from daily abrasions, they require a constant flow of blood that is rich in oxygen. Fatigue or unsteadiness develops when muscles don't receive the nutrients they require when circulation slows down. Regularly consuming ginger tea can subtly increase blood flow, making your legs feel more vibrant and gaining confidence with every step. Let's now discuss turmeric. Curcumin, found in this golden spice, is well known for its capacity to reduce inflammation, prevent muscles from degrading, and even aid in post-activity recuperation. When your knees pop, curcumin can help soothe any soreness you may have after a quick walk or while standing. Your muscles will be able to sustain you, steady your body, and power every movement once inflammation is minimized. The majority of people are unaware of this. This tea helps more than just your legs. Additionally, it offers a mild energy boost. It doesn't give you jitters as coffee does. Rather, ginger naturally boosts your metabolism, which makes it easier for your body to convert food into energy that can be used. Rather of needing a nap in the afternoon or feeling lethargic after lunch, you may observe that you feel more alert and driven, perhaps even prepared for that quick stroll or easy leg stretches you've been putting off. Simple to make at home. A teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if available, a few slices of fresh ginger root, and hot water are all you need. Give it 10 minutes to steep. A dash of black pepper should be added. This improves the way curcumin is absorbed by your body. And, if desired, sweeten with a squeeze of lemon or a little honey. That's all. Your legs, energy, and general well-being are supported by the easy therapeutic tea you just produced. Consistency is essential. Some people get results in a matter of days, while others may need a few weeks. Drinking 1 cup daily, particularly in the morning, will significantly improve your energy levels and leg sensation. All day long. For instance, turmeric and ginger tea have been used for generations in traditional Indian homes to maintain joint flexibility and reduce common aches. Even contemporary athletes, such as NBA player Stephen Curry, have discussed including turmeric into their recuperation regimen. You don't have to exercise like a pro elite, but incorporating a cup of this tea into your daily routine can provide your joints and muscles with a comparable level of mild support. Therefore, ginger turmeric tea is one of the best options if you're serious about strengthening your legs, easing pain, and naturally increasing your energy levels. The simplest and most pleasurable starting points. Ginseng green tea is number 2. Let's now discuss ginseng green tea, which is genuinely invigorating. If you've been feeling exhausted lately, such as when you can't find that spark or your legs give out in the middle of the day, this tea might be just what your body has been requesting to keep you moving. Your entire system, including your muscles, brain, and yes, those weary legs, is gently awakened with ginseng green tea. This is what makes it so unique. We're combining 2 strong plants. Green tea first, abundant in natural energy enhancers and antioxidants. Second, ginseng, a root that has been used for millennia in traditional medicine to support vitality, strengthen muscles, and combat weariness. How ginseng benefits your legs so much? Adaptogenic power, which helps your body cope with stress, is what makes ginseng famous. It may surprise you to learn that aging puts daily strain on joints and muscles. Ginseng relieves internal tension, providing your body with resilience so that each time you move, your legs don't feel like they're struggling against you. There's more, though. According to research, ginseng can genuinely increase muscle endurance and performance. It makes it easier for your muscles to consume oxygen, which results in improved endurance and less fatigue. Imagine being able to run errands, climb stairs, and move around the house without feeling exhausted afterward. Over time, ginseng can make an impact like that. When you combine that with green tea, you get even more advantages. Caichin's antioxidants, which are abundant in green tea, combat free radicals in your joints and muscles. Why is that important? Over time, free radicals destroy cells, making your legs appear older than they actually are. Drinking green tea on a regular basis helps your body's natural healing process that keeps your joints feeling more capable and your muscles stronger. Additionally, the amino acid L-theanine, which soothes while increasing alertness, giving green tea a gradual, balanced surge of energy, unlike coffee, which can spike and crash your energy. When you include ginseng, you get a consistent, lengthy, long-lasting increase in mental and physical vitality. It's the mental lift that counts. This is something that a lot of people ignore. You naturally want to move more when your mind is clearer and more energized. You use your legs more frequently as a result of that incentive, which progressively restores their strength. Put differently, ginseng green tea not only energizes your body, but also ignites the mentality that keeps you moving. How to prepare it in the house. To prevent scorching, bring a cup of water to a boil and allow it to cool somewhat. For 2 to 3 minutes, steep a green tea bag. Next, include a couple thin ginseng slices. Root, or if you have dried ginseng powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Give it 5 more minutes to steep. If desired, add a squeeze of lemon or a little honey for flavor. That's all. A tasty, stimulating cup of strength that is good for your legs. For optimal effects, consume it every day. It's not an easy solution. Throughout time, this subtle habit will gradually increase your vitality, balance, and mobility. Evidence from studies and actual life. According to research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, Elderly, regular use of ginseng resulted in increased lower body strength and decreased weariness throughout daily tasks. It's not only research either. Ginseng tea has been referenced by well-known people, such as actor Jackie Chan, who is in his 70s, as part of their wellness regimens to keep active for physically demanding roles. Imagine the subtle boost it can provide to your daily walks, stair climbs, or mild workouts if someone in their 70s can maintain that level of movement. Therefore, ginseng green tea merits a permanent place in your routine if you're sick of dragging your feet and want to feel more alert, mobile, and in control of your energy. It's not just a beverage. It's a daily reminder to become a better, healthier version of yourself. 3. Tea made from ashwagandha roots. Let's now discuss a unique tea that offers benefits beyond leg support. It aids in restoring equilibrium, serenity, and strength to your whole body. The tea is known as ashwagandha root tea. You may be in for a delightful surprise if you have never tried it before. We refer to ashwagandha as an adaptogen because it helps your body cope with stress, exhaustion, and aging. For senior citizens, that is crucial. Muscles don't simply become weaker with age due to inactivity, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and hormonal fluctuations, particularly those involving cortisol and testosterone, which are crucial for energy and muscular tone, also have an impact on them. Think about this for a minute. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling grounded and at ease rather than stiff, exhausted, or worried about the day ahead. Your legs truly feel ready to move when you stretch them. As you get up, you become aware of the weight in your legs is lighter. Many people report experiencing a slight change in their daily routine after incorporating ashwagandha tea into their routine. How your body processes it. The body releases cortisol when we are under stress, whether it be from financial problems, health issues, or simply inadequate sleep. Hormone. Over time, too much cortisol depletes energy, weakens muscles, and develops belly fat. Ashwagandha calms the nervous system and gives your body a clear message by assisting in the regulation of cortisol. You're secure. You can unwind. You are able to reconstruct. Your body prioritizes muscle repair and mending over ongoing breakdown just because of that change. That's not all, though. Ashwagandha has been found in numerous research to improve muscle strength and endurance, even in elderly people. In a clinical study, seniors who took ashwagandha on a daily basis experienced quantifiable gains in stamina, balance, and lower body strength in a matter of weeks. It's not magic. Your body is finally receiving the assistance it requires to operate at its peak efficiency, assistance with sleep and nerves. Additionally, ashwagandha promotes nerve health, which is important for the sensation of your legs when you stand or walk. Have you ever had a sense of unsteadiness, shakiness, or a lack of control over your legs? Poor neuromuscular connections may contribute to the issue. By strengthening those ties, ashwagandha enhances responsiveness and coordination. Oh, and this tea is a wonderful gem if you have trouble falling asleep. It can help you relax, lessen anxiety at night, and encourage deeper, more peaceful sleep if you drink it in the evening. Since our muscles heal themselves while we sleep, getting more sleep results in better muscular recovery. Even with a healthy diet, the body finds it difficult to recover when you don't get enough sleep. How should it be prepared? Ashwagandha root is available as powder, dried chunks, or even tea bags that have been combined. The dried root is the most effective for the purest advantages. About 1 teaspoon should be used. For 10 to 15 minutes. Simmer it gently in water. After straining, sip it warm. For a sweeter taste, add honey or cinnamon. Warm spices go well with a slightly earthy, nutty flavor of ashwagandha. While some like to take it at night to help them relax and aid in muscle repair while they sleep, others do it in the morning for calm, steady energy throughout the day. In any case, consistency is key making. To ensure your body receives consistent support, incorporate it into your everyday routine. Inspiration from real life. Ashwagandha is frequently suggested by holistic health specialists, such as celebrity dietitian Dr. Frank Lipman, for elderly patients who are experiencing stress and exhaustion. Numerous. In order to support balanced energy and improve sleep, well-known health advocates over 60, such as actress Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have made adaptogens like ashwagandha more widely known. Seniors can benefit in a special way, even though they may utilize it for general well-being. Calmer, more balanced, and stronger legs. Vitality that endures throughout the day. Ashwagandha root tea is therefore a great location to start if you're searching for a method to feel more balanced during the day, less anxious in your heart, and more stable on your feet. Stronger muscles aren't the only factor. It concerns reestablishing emotional, mental, and physical equilibrium. And the true basis for long-lasting vigor at any age is that balance. There you have it, then. 3 potent natural teas that can significantly alter your daily energy levels and leg sensations. Use ginger turmeric tea to increase circulation and reduce inflammation. Ashwagandha root tea can help restore equilibrium, reduce stress, and promote nighttime recovery, while ginseng green tea can increase muscle strength and endurance. These aren't just cozy, toasty beverages. These basic everyday items will help you feel stronger, move more steadily, and navigate life with greater self-assurance and less suffering. Keep in mind that consistency is the key. Over time, little movement, a good outlook, and only 1 cup each day might produce noticeable results. If you found this video helpful, or if you want to try one of these t-shirts, please share your thoughts in the comments section. If this was helpful to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward, scientifically supported health advice tailored to your needs. You deserve to feel strong once more. If you came upon this video helpful, don't forget to click like. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next